Here's a smart productive tip to use in CorelDRAW. Now I'm going to show you how to copy an object's attribute onto another object. So this is the object with the attributes I want to copy, and the first common way to do this is by selecting the attributes 𝗖𝗄𝗏. Now with that selected, I'll come over here. So select the attributes 𝗖𝗄𝗏, then come to the object with the attribute, copy, and then I'll come and add it. Click on the object that I want to add the attributes to, and as you can see, they're all going to get the same attributes: the shadow, the outline, and the fill color. So that is way number one. Way number two is I can select this object by holding down the shift key and come to edit, copy properties from, then click on that, and then I'll select the properties that I want to select, click OK, and then I'll choose the object with the attributes I want to copy. So I'll click on that, and as you can see, it's copied the outline pen, and the fill color to all the three objects. So that way to do this is I can right click on this on the object with the attributes I want, and click and drag and hold it over the object I want to copy the attributes onto, release the mouse, and then it will give me these three options. So I can copy the fill, only the fill color. So let's right click again and drag over here. I can copy the outline. As you can see, the outline has changed. If I click and drag here, I can select to copy all properties, and it has the fill color and the outline. So those are the three ways that you can use to copy attributes from one object to another.